Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Rolling along with Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. A lot of car owners out there are looking for something to bring the look of the ride to the next level. Well, that's where Jalisco's carbon fiber comes in. Now, first of all, Bernardo, we're talking some great looking parts you have here, but before we get to that, I want to talk about your story. Why did you start making parts for cars in the first place?
Yes, I was working a 9 to 5. I was a physical therapist assistant when everything started. See, because I was a car guy too, I ended up getting a Q50 and I wanted some carbon fiber parts too. But a lot of manufacturers and sellers were really smoke and mirrors about what they were selling. And a steering wheel like this, maybe not the exact design, but they were selling it for like $800, $900, $1,000. And I can't afford that. And I saw a lot of other people couldn't afford that as well. So I said, why don't I do a few other group orders together? Maybe we'll order about 100 steering wheels. If we take the loss on it, if it's not the quality up there, but if we get them, hey, we got them at cost. And I got a reputation through that, being customer service, reliable. And I did that all at zero profit while working a 9 to 5. And then after that, people were saying, hey, can you get me this? Can you get me that? And that's where the side hustle grew. I started an Instagram, that started growing. So my reputation really got great. And then we kind of hit it towards the big guys that were making all this profit. And now you saw, hey, everyone can afford it. It's just you have to sell at the right price with the right quality. Fast forward along, it was either do this or stay in medical. And I took the leap of faith about a year ago full time. And yeah, it just got big from there. And that one full year, we got our own warehouse. We got notified by you guys, and then we're also going to hit $1 million in sales too.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
What do you think the reason's been for your success in such a short time?
I think we're the first carbon fiber brand that puts ourselves in the shoes of the customers. We say, can you afford this? Do you want to receive your product like this? Do you want to deal with the products like this a year from now? So we really put the customer first. When you have an issue with the carbon fiber or the company or anything, you speak to myself, you did speak to my wife or one of our workers, Junior, which is our installer. So you're always speaking to someone dedicated to the brand, someone that actually has their life and blood in here. So that's why I put myself. It's the customer, priority, quality, longevity, and pricing too. That's a big thing.
Obviously, we have this great looking Infinity. How many different makes and models do you cover?
Our hit in the market is Infinity, Q50, Q60, Q37, but we're really branching off to as many models as we can, BMW, Lexus, Tesla, everything. The next one's coming up, which I think is going to be a really big market, is Kia Stinger and Supra. So that's the ones that we already have products ready. But like I said, every other brand's coming along. But Q50, this is like our bread and butter.
And you have a lot of stuff from stem to stern here. What are some of your more popular pieces?
Our carbon fiber mirrors are one of the best sellers, so that's a big one. And then our steering wheels, that's a really big part of our business, especially because you can customize it literally exactly to how you want it. But those are the big ones that everyone's getting.
A lot of people are selling carbon fiber out there, but a lot of it's carbon fiber look. Is this the real deal?
Yeah, so you're getting 100% carbon fiber with everything we sell. And that's, I think, why our business is growing, is a lot of times other sellers were selling carbon fiber. They didn't finish out the sentence by saying look. This is actually 100% carbon fiber.
How important is quality to you when you're getting parts and sending them out to folks?
That's one of my #1 priorities, along with customer service, is quality. I know customers don't want to deal with quality issues a year down the line, a week down the line, a day down the line. So that's where I really want these things to last for the customer, for what they're paying. A lot of our products, we do have warranty on what we sell.
In regards to quality, you mentioned Junior. He's come along on your staff. How has he helped with fitment and that sort of thing?
Yeah, so he's been a really huge help on the back end. Like I tell people, I don't know how to pick up a hammer, so I don't know how to install these parts. He's been a wizard at installing things that usually is pretty difficult. We tell people usually some shops will charge you hundreds, thousands of dollars to get something on, and he'll get almost OEM-like fitment for a fraction of what everyone else is charging, and professionally done. So it goes from easy to fair to sometimes professional. Like I said, we try to sell to everyone that can afford it, so we try to be as general as possible. The good thing that a lot of the parts we sell, there's probably hundreds, thousands of videos already on YouTube that everyone's done installation. So there's always a source where you can find installation tips on there. Like I said, YouTube's the biggest thing, but when you come to our shop, we also install those for you as well.
You talked about the mirror and the steering wheel being some of your most popular parts. What are some of your popular big items that you're selling?
Yeah, so the big things that everyone is getting to us is the hood, fenders, and trunk. We used to be known for these smaller items, but we are starting to ship these palletized things, so it's always secure when it arrives to you. But these are the big hitters right now, is the fenders, the hoods, and the trunks. And we have a bunch of designs, and we have it in regular carbon fiber, which is what you see, forged carbon fiber, which is almost like a marble carbon fiber, and honeycomb carbon fiber, which is a big hit too.
Jalisco's carbon fiber can do just about the impossible. They can give you something that looks great, something that's going to last a long time, and at an affordable price. You can find them at Jalisco'sCarbonFiber.com or on Instagram, and you can find more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings and more cool products when we come back.